Hey guys, Flip Man here. So I'm standing in my Central Phoenix condo, which I purchased 1 year ago. I paid $116,900, Central Phoenix, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,000 square feet. So today I want to share with you guys what goes into your kitchen. In this drawer, we have spoons, forks, knives, you have the spatulas, you have your wine opener, and then down below, you always want to buy a blender. People love to make smoothies. Keep it simple. You don't need to over clutter your kitchen. These countertops were already here, guys. These new cabinets were here. We got the coffee maker. So if you go in this drawer, we just have some mittens. Down below here, guys, we have all our heavy duty pots and pans. Spend a little extra money, guys. Don't chintz on your pots and pans. I love these heavy ones. So they're very heavy and they will last you forever. This set cost me $300. So that's where all the pots and pans are. The microwave was here. The stove was here. We put the little towel there, put some floor mats. These are cutlery, knives, scissors. Over here, we have our coffee mugs here. Looks like we lost a wine cup. We have our wine cups here. There's typically we buy 4. Over here, guys, we have glass cups. We have matching plates, tons of plates, bowls. I paid about $60, $65 for the complete set of all the bowls, the plates. Over in this cabinet next to the microwave, we have simple things in here, some spices for when people are cooking. Over here, we always get the fancy soap from Costco. I buy 4 of these at a time. So down here, this is important, guys. You always want to put a fire extinguisher underneath the kitchen sink. And then also your first aid kit should be under there too. So this here, the fridge came with it, guys. So I really got a great deal. Simple, guys. Just keep it simple. I wouldn't put too much stuff in, but make sure you have the essentials, right? Everything you would need if you were at home, we got it here so they don't need to go out. If you need help with it, definitely send me a DM. Be happy to help you. Check out our PIA Accelerator course, Passive Income Accelerator, guys. You got to start thinking about passive income. AirBnB is the best business I've ever seen, the best business model. 2.5 years. We're scaling our business. Want to help you get started in your business. So like the video, share it with your friends, put notifications on, and we'll see you on our next video. Peace.